Okay, right. Good morning, one and all.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Right. So today, the first semester, first year, first semester. First, let me explain about the content base first. Right. Are you able to see this slide? Hello? Is it visible? Slide visible or not? Hello?
Yes, sir, it's visible, sir.
Right. So the course name of semester one, botany, microbial diversity, algae and fungi. My voice is clear or any disturbance from surroundings? Hello?
No disturbance, sir. It's clear.
Right. So title is microbial diversity, algae and fungi. First, let me explain about the title microbial diversity. What is microbial diversity? First of all, what is diversity?
Diversity, in a sense, it is spread, so in a whole area, particular space.
I'm,
Like
I'm, I'm asking the diversity within microbes. Diversity general meaning.
diversity, in a sense, you can give India as an example. So India is a vast diversity, multiple religions,
Right,
yeah.
right. So that is the general. But I'm specifically asking you the microbial diversity. So, okay,
Microbial, in a sense, different, yeah,
hmm,
different microbes, bacteria, everything comes under microbial
exactly.
diversity.
Exactly. So different type of microbes. What are the microbes?
Microbes.
Just now you said
Yeah, bacteria. So virus, bacteria, like
virus,
cyanobacteria.
right?
Yeah,
Virus, bacteria, algae, fungi. They are all microbes. Which are microbes definition. Actually, those organisms we cannot see directly with our naked eye. We can identify with help of the microscope. Those are comes under the microbes, right? So
yes, sir.
in this title, we should study diversity within the microbes means we can study in virus about the bacteria, about the algae, about the fungi. So this is the whole concept of microbial diversity, algae and fungi, right? Let me explain uh, the content of this. Just wait. Content is visible.
Yes, sir.
Content, right? So So first one, block one, origin of life, microbial diversity. That is the first block. Actually, the total in this course, total 4 blocks are there. Not only this one and any subject, any semester, 4 blocks in core. Here, the first block, origin of life and microbial diversity. Which includes for 3 units: origin of life, geological time scale, brief account of archaebacteria, actinomycetes, chlamydia, and mycoplasma. And black two, virus, bacteria, and cyanobacteria. In this block also include 3 units such as virus, bacteria, cyanobacteria. And third block, algae and lichens, which includes 3 units: general account of algae, life history of algae, lichen. And fourth block include again 3 units. 3 units, general account of fungi, life history of fungi and plant diseases. The 12th unit also diseases not given here, not appear. So remember the diseases, fungal plant diseases. So this is about the content, right? How many units are completed in offline classes? Hello?
So everything is completed, sir.
All units are completed.
Yeah, all units are completed, sir.
Origin of life completed. Geological time
Yep.
scale completed.
Yep. Algae, lichens, fungi, everything is completed. In the practicals also, we have seen the viruses, bacteria through microscope.
Of course, practical leave it. But I'm asking about theory. In theory, offline classes. In theory, 12 units completed or not?
No,
Uh,
sir, we didn't have the theory classes.
Yes,
so
yes.
in
That's what
theory,
I'm asking you.
yeah, theory we learned about RNA, DNA, cyanobacteria, Miller and Urey experiment.
Okay. Right. Origin of
So,
life completed. Geological time scale
yeah,
completed. Archaebacteria, Actinomycetes, Chlamydia completed. Virus. What about virus, bacteria, cyanobacteria?
yes, done. So we learned about tobacco, mosaic viruses, and cyanobacteria. Done.
Right. So what about algae, general character, lichens?
Yeah, so told about this also, sir.
What should I explain now?
Please revise all lessons, sir. Once
So
we
once again, if you could revise it, it would be helpful, sir.
Okay, sure. So first, let me complete. Let me start with the general character of algae. General character of algae. Next, algae type studies. Fungi general character, because if you learnt about general character, you can easily understand the type study of that particular algae, the particular fungi. After that, we will complete virus, bacteria, cyanobacteria. And meantime, you inform me any complex, difficult area in this topic, in this course. Please inform me. I will explain. So anyway, today topic is general account of algae. Can I continue with general account of algae?
Sure, sir. Continue, sir.
Right. General account of algae. Right. So first of all, what is algae? Give me definition of algae. What you know about algae?
So algae are the small, bacteria kind of viruses which stay in oceans, rocks, nearby places, which breathe in oxygen, gives out oxygen, like take in carbon dioxide and hydrogen, give out oxygen. The type of algae is green, blue, differentiates in colors, we can see in different areas. We can see different type of algae
Okay, this
depending
is
upon the environment.
okay. This is general information. Okay, that's also right. But just give simple definition to particular word algae. What you said earlier, they are all right. But can you define in a single sentence about algae? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Of course, you earlier said these are present in aquatic, growing aquatic, right?
Yes, sir.
And but a simple definition. What is algae? Is the algae are autotrophic or heterotrophic?
Auto.
Algae, algae autotrophic, heterotrophic. What is auto? What is heterotrophic?
So can you please explain it, sir? Actually,
No doubt, I will explain, but I want some small answers.
heterotrophic or autotrophic.
You said a microscopic, that is also right. They are the microbes, okay, and they are present in water, that is also right. I'm asking the simple question to you, whether they are autotrophic or heterotrophic.
Autotrophic or heterotrophic.
One minute, just wait 1 minute.
Autotroph, sir.
I'm asking a simple question. Hello? Is it visible? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right.
Algae are autotroph, sir.
Yes, autotrophic, that means which they can prepare their own food material. And these
Prepare
are
their food
okay.
chain.
Autotrophic and thallophytic simple plants. What is thallophytic? Means thallus like structure. If you see the plant, what are the parts of the plant? The major parts of the plant. I'm asking general tree, plant, not
So
asking about algae.
branches, roots,
Root, shoot, leaf, flower, fruits. They are the
yeah,
parts of the plant, right?
yes, sir.
Can you identify these parts in algae? First of all, whenever you see the algae in your daily life, whenever you see algal members in our daily life, don't you see
We can see, so in some places, like where is the
where?
water stored, like if water is stored for like too long, like in those places, like algae will be formed. So like green algae.
Right. What is what we called in general language, our local language?
I don't know, sir, about that.
Algae, local language, our general.
Saliva.
In locally we called it Nachu, Pakuru.
Pakuru, yes, sir.
Right. These are the algal
Yeah.
members. Right. If you see the Nachu Pakuru, can you identify the root system, shoot and leaf? Can we? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Can you identify the root system to the algal member? Nachu, Pakuru. Is it possible to identify root system, shoot and leaf?
Yeah, so through maybe a microscope, using a microscope, maybe we can.
No, if you see in microscope also, there is actually no root system, shoot and leaf, not differentiated, not differentiated. They are all together. Even if you see under microscope, you can't understand where is root, where is shoot, where is leaf.
Okay.
They completely appear as a mass spot. The greenish color, that greenish mass spot called as thallus. That's why these are called thallophytes. So autotrophic, thallophytic, simple plants are called algal member. So that is algae. So the in this content we can we are going to learn about introduced in introduction, habitat, thallus organization, which means thallus structure, cell structure, reproduction, life cycle, and also classification. And remember one thing. Remember one thing. Please be silent. Thank you. Now we are discussing about the algae general character. But when you enter into the remaining topic units, algae type studies are there. In algae type study, whatever given, Idogonium, Cara, Nasdaq, Cyanobacillus, Valvax, whatever it may be. So the headings are same. The any type study like algae general character, habitat, first heading, thallus structure, second heading, thallus made up of cells. So cell structure, next heading, and this is only vegetative thallus, vegetative structure. After vegetative, when the thallus body or when the organism reach maturity, now we are discussing about reproduction. After reproduction's life cycle. So this is we are going to learn about these topics. Now first let's see the first one. So the algae introduction, as I said, definition autotrophic thalophytic. Embryo also not formed in this. So non-embryophytic. There is no vascular system and only spore producing simple plants. So this is the algae definition. The study of algae called as phycology. The algae word given by Linnaeus, father of algae, F.E. Fritz in Varan, father of algae in India, M.O.P. Iyengar. M.O.P. Iyengar. In India, M.O.P. Iyengar. The first prokaryotic algae, first photosynthetic oxygen released plants. This is the first in land. The oxygen released in first time by algal members. First one prokaryotic algae. In algae also prokaryote, eukaryote, two types. So this is the about brief introduction about the algae. Right? Is it clear? Next, after algae, just wait. Right. So habitat. What is habitat? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is habitat? This is first heading to any type study.
Habitat is a place where a group of like for example, people living is called a habitat, habit place,
Right,
like
right. Then living place, the living place of an organism called as habitat. As you said earlier, the algal member mostly they are aquatic. So first of all, they are aquatic. Algae are universal occurrence found in variety of habitat, but mostly 90% above 90% they are aquatic. In aquatic, maybe freshwater. In aquatic, this way, maybe freshwater, example, Idogonium cara, or maybe marine water, sea water, Ectocarpus sargassum, a very few are terrestrial, Wacheria, Botridium, aerophytes, Tentrofolia, aero means, hello,
eh,
air means they are the aerial parts of the, that mean they can, actually they are not attached to the water and land. So they are aerophytes, cryophytes, cryo means, ice, snow, encyclonema, example encyclonema. Thermo means heat, thermophytes eat. They can grow in heat area, temperate area. Lithophytes, litho means rock, ectocarpus, epiphytic, epiphytic. Litho means grow on rock, clear. Epiphytic, phyta means plant. The surface of the plant, they can grow on surface of the plants. Chitonema, Ribilaria, Chitophyta, Chitophora. Epizoic, Cladophora. Epizoic means surface of the animals. And endozoic also. Endozoic means inside the animals, inside the body of the animals. So that is endozoic. So they are the different. And also parasites also very rare.
Please.
What is? Tell me again. Hello?
नेक्स्ट पेज बताइए ना सर.
Are you seeing habitat slide?
नो सर, जिस पेज पे आप अंडरलाइन कर रहे हैं ना वो रॉन्ग पेज है, तो आप दूसरा पेज वो करिए ना, चेंज करिए, वो बोल रहे हैं आप.
What happened to you?
गलती हो गई
Safia, are you okay?
ओके अब मैं क्या
Sir, continue, sir.
Yes, wait. One minute. Just now someone asked in Hindi. Please express your doubt Telugu or English. Hello?
She is saying to turn the page, sir.
Are you seeing which page now?
Content page, sir.
Okay, okay. That's good. Please wait. Now, which page are you seeing? Hello? Habitat page visible or not?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Which page are you seeing now?
Yes.
Habitat?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, habitat.
Right. Habitat is, as you said, the natural living place of an organism. The most of the 90% of the algal member aquatic, in aquatic
Freshwater.
freshwater, yes, freshwater, marine water, aerophytes, cryophytes, thermophytes, lithophyte, epizoic, and also few are parasitic also. What is
So wait,
parasitic
sir.
nature?
So let me write, sir. I mean, we are writing it down.
Okay. So they are the common, freshwater common, marine water common, few are terrestrial, aerophytes, cryophytes, they are the rare. Aerophytes rare, cryophytes rare, thermophytes which are going in temperate region, temperate temperature, and a litho means attached to rock. This is also common. Epiphytic on surface of the plant, epizoic surface of the animal. Parasitic. Parasitic means actually the plants are autotrophic. They can prepare their own food material. But cephaloria, algal member shows parasitic nature. That means which are cause diseases on coffee rust, coffee plants. It causes rust diseases on coffee. So this is the habitat of the algal member. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Right. Please be silent. Right. Thales organization. Are you able to see Thales organization slide? Hello?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Right. Thales organization. As I said earlier, the first one Hapted completed. After Hapted, Thales structure. Thales organization. Already told you what is Thales. What is Thales? Hello?
It's a unicellular corella non-metal. You said no, sir.
No. I am asking about the this Thales meaning, Thales definition.
Definition. So, okay, thallus.
Organisms that
Like
have
pigment of
thallophytes
plant.
are known as thallus.
What?
Organisms.
Organisms that have thallophytes are
Hmm.
known as thallus.
What is thallophyte?
Stem, roots, and leaves are not distinguished.
What?
Stem, roots are not distinguished.
Right. Root, shoot, leaves are not differentiated. Such type of part called as thallus. In this thallus type, difference there you may be in unicell or in multicell. Right? First, let me complete unicell. Unicell thallus made up of single cell. That's why it is called uni. In single cell, again two types: motile or mobile, non-motile or non-mobile. If motile, non-motile difference. Motile with help of flagella, they can move one place to another place. Non-motile, they cannot move one place to another. Of course, they can move, but not with help of flagella. Flagella also we can observe in the diagram also. The motile nature example chlamydomonas. If we see the chlamydomonas, the two flagella at anterior side, two equal flagella there. With help of this flagella in water, they move one place to another place. Whereas in chlorella, which is non-motile, no flagella, without flagella, these are called non-motile. They can move with help of the water tide only. Right? This is unicell. And next in multicell, if you see multicell, cenobium and filamentous and parenchymatous. They are all multicell. Let's discuss one by one. First of all, cenobium. Right? In cenobium also again two types, motile and non-motile. The first, motile cenobium. First of all, what is cenobium? What is cenobium or corneal? Cenobium or corneal? Cenobium or corneal means just before what? Which type of thallus you learn? Hello? The first thallus type. Hello?
Yes, sir. Unicellular.
Right, unicellular. In evolution process, unicellular, next cenobium or corneal. Simple, unicellular, how many cells? One cell. But in cenobial, number of cell attached with help of slime layer. This is one cell, second cell. That means, for example, so this is only single cell organism. But in evolution process, here also another cell, another cell, another cell. So different number of cells increased, but the number of cells increased. These are attached to the slime layer like this, like a colony. What is colony? Group of people, right? So group of people or group of home, uh, in a particular area. Like this, here the group of cells attached by slime layers. So this is called as synobium or colonial. If you take one cell, this is unicell. But here, how many cells are there? How many cells?
30.
Number of cells. Number of, that means more than one cells. These more than one cells are attached to the slime layer. But the function individual, the each and every cell individual in their identity. This is individual, this is also individual, this is also individual. So this type of thallus called as synobium. In synobium also with help of flagella, they can move one place to another place. This is called motile synobium. Example, Volvox pediastrum, these two, Volvox and pediastrum. Both are synobium, but they can move to another place, one place to another place with help of the flagella. We can observe in diagram also. Here the flagella, and here also flagella, but in small in structure, like this two flagella, like this two flagella, two flagella. So two flagella for each and every cell. Here also we can observe one flagella, one flagella. So this is pediastrum. And hydrodictyon, in hydrodictyon, can you observe the flagella? Is there any flagella? If you say this is hydrodictyon, this is the clear view of the hydrodictyon. Net-like. Hydrodictyon means it is completely appeared net-like. Where is flagella? Is there any flagella to hydrodictyon? Hello?
No.
No flagella. That's why it is
flagella.
non-motile. Non-motile. Of course, it is synobium, but no, there is no flagella, non-motile nature. So this is synobium. The first type of thallus, unicell, clear. After that, second type of thallus, synobium. Synobium or corneal, which means a group of cells together attached one to another cell with help of slime layer. Right? Is it clear? First to clear thallus structure. Hello? This is very, very important question. Thallus organization in algae. Algae thallus organization, very, very important. So
Yes.
unicell clear completed, and after that thallus, synobium completed, right? Okay. Next type is filamentous thallus. Filamentous thallus. In filamentous thallus appear as a filament. Thallus appear as a filament. Just wait. Right. Are you able to see filamentous thallus?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, in filamentous thallus, the thallus appear as a like a stick filament, like a
Tube-like
filament.
structure.
Right, tube-like structure, somewhat tube-like structure. So this is filamentous. In filamentous thallus also unbranched, pseudo-branched, branched. Unbranched means it is only filament. Is there any branches in this thallus? Hello?
No.
No branches. It is appear like a ladder, like this. Like this. Cell, above another cell, above another cell, above another cell, above another cell, like this. Is there any branches to this diagram? Are you follow my diagram? Red color.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Right. So this is unbranched. And another one is pseudo branch. What is meaning of pseudo? Sir, first of all, unbranched example, Eudogonium, Eulothrix, one example enough. And next one, pseudo branch. What is meaning of pseudo?
Single lemon, like a single.
False branch.
False branch. False,
Yeah,
not
like-
true. It is like it actually it is the two different thallus. This is one cytonema, this part, one cytonema, this part, another cytonema thallus. But if you see, it is appear as a single thallus, but it is not a single thallus. Two different thallus. These are attached by this miscellaneous slime layer. Are you see my red color? Hello?
Yes.
Right. So red color, which means mucilage like a gum, they attached each both the thallus. Attach both thallus. If you see externally, They are branched. They are appear as a branch. But in real scenario, they are not branched one. They are unbranched. As the miscellaneous gum attached, make it attached to both, it is appear as a branch, but it is not branched. So this type of thallus called as pseudo branch. Example cytonema. Example cytonema. Pseudo branch. Example cytonema. And next one in third diagram we can observe clearly branched one. In branched one clearly, so main branch, main thallus, and also another one branch, another branch, and it is also branches. So this type of is called branched. We can observe in the diagram also. Are you follow marker? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Okay, sir.
Right. This is branched one. Example Cladophora. Example Cladophora. So in filamentous thallus, three types. Filamentous thallus, one is unbranched, Edogonium, pseudo branched, Cytonema, branched, Cladophora. This is example for branched Cladophora. Is it clear? Hello?
Yep, sir.
Right. So first unicell type of thallus completed. Second, synovial thallus completed. Third, filamentous thallus completed. And most advanced type of thallus is parenchymatous. Sorry, parenchymatous thallus. Parenchymatous thallus. Right. This is parenchymatous thallus. So with the group of cells, clearly group of cells randomly arranged and appear as the parts, mass appearance part. Look like a small plant. Look like a small plant. Example alva and also laminaria. Alva laminaria. These both are parenchymatous thallus. What you observed in thallus organization in the evolutionary process, what you observed, cell complexity decrease or increase?
Increased actually.
Yes, cell complexity increase. First, simple single cell. Next, number of cells, but not closely arranged. In filamentous thallus, of course, closely arranged, but in a manner. That means one cell above another. That is particular manner. It may be branched and pseudo-branched or branched. But later, irregular manner, the group of cells irregularly formed. That means complexity increased. Right? Is it
Yeah.
okay? Any doubt in thallus organization?
No, sir. Give me a definition of thallus once again, sir.
Thallus means there is no differentiation of body parts such as root system, shoot system, and leaf. No differentiation. Of course, if you see the advanced algal member, just like root like appendages, just not true, just root like, shoot like, leaf like, which are appear in some advanced algal member, but not all. But most of the algal member, there is no clear structure of root, there is no shoot, there is no leaf. All together appear as a mass appearance. Right?
So, like normal small definition is thallus does not have any differentiation in its structure.
Yes, exactly.
Right. Thank you, sir.
Right. And next one. So what is in our content? First, habitat clear, thallus organization clear. After that, thallus made up of the thallus
Single cell, multi-cell.
cell, whatever it may be. First, the thallus made up of cell. That's it. Now let's discuss about the cell structure. Right? Let's see cell structure. Cell structure. What is cell?
Cell is made up of protein like RNA or DNA. Like normally we can say cell, which is has a protein.
Components of the cell. First, tell me the cell definition. After that, cell components. What are present in cell?
Basic unit of life.
Exactly right. Good. Basic unit of life. It is the structural and functional unit
Of life.
of life. Okay. Why it
But
is
it's
called
made up of
structural?
it's made up of protein. So like DNA is present in it.
Okay, DNA present in cell, right?
Even RNA, right? So rinucleic acid.
RNA also present, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Just now someone told tell that definition, basic unit, structural unit, functional. Why it is called structural unit?
Why? Because it gives particular structure to the body.
Exactly, right? And why it is functional?
Because it functions also, so reproduction for breathing and all.
Right, any metabolic activities,
Any
functions,
functions.
right, occurs inside the cell. That's why the functional unit, right? So now tell me the components, parts of the cell.
Cell membrane, nucleus will be there, sir.
Right, but in order.
Yes.
First, cell covered by
Cell membrane.
Yeah.
Especially in plant. First of all, cell structure, plant cell wall. Next, protoplasm, cytoplasm. So they are the subcomponents. This is the order. But in few algal member, apart from the cell wall, the sheath also present. So this is called as cell envelope. Cell envelope means sheath, cell wall, both together called as cell envelope. So here, first in general, so only cell wall present, that is common. But in algal member, some algae, especially blue-green algae, BGA, blue-green algal member, the extra layer, above the cell wall, extra layer also present, that is called sheath. Sheath, which is made up of pectic substances, chemicals. Cell wall chemical is cellulose, but the cellulose absent in blue-green algal member and diatom. It's both cellulose absent. And next one after cell wall, for example, this is the cell wall, red color cell wall. After cell wall, next protoplast, next content called as protoplast. Just wait, let me change the color. The blue color line, from blue color inside all content, protoplast. Only this layer, plasma membrane, right? If you separate plasma membrane, the rest of the place called as protoplasm. In protoplasm, nucleus present, all cell organelles also present. What are the cell organelles?
Mitochondria, nucleus.
Right, mitochondria, Golgi complex, nucleus, and endoplasmic reticulum, lysozyme. Most important cell organelle in algae, in plant, algal member, any autotrophic organisms. What is the most important cell organelle? Hello? What is that?
Chloroplast.
Exactly, chloroplast, right?
Chloroplast. Yes.
Right, chloroplast. So we discuss about only chloroplast. Of course, in general structure, cell wall, protoplast are present, nucleus also present, based on nucleus, prokaryote, eukaryote, and cell organelles, all cell organelle presence, no doubt at all. And chloroplast, this is the most important cell organelle in autotrophic organisms. So the structure of chloroplast in algal member various, maybe in discoid, maybe in star shape, maybe in reticulate, maybe in chloroplast. Sorry, reticulate chloroplast. Discoid, discoid, discoid like this round shape, like it is discoid or star shape. Reticulate means net-like. Reticulate means net-like. And also ribbon shaped chloroplast also present. Ribbon shaped chloroplast also present. So with different type of chloroplast present in algae. What are present in chloroplast? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What are present in chloroplast?
Chloroplast.
See in slide. What is next? Pigments. In chloroplast, pigments are there. What are the pigments? Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll
Green
B, C, D, and E. Different type of chlorophylls are present, but in higher plants only two chlorophylls A and B enough. But in algal member, apart from the A, B, few algal member chlorophyll C present, chlorophyll D present, chlorophyll E also present, right? And another pigments is carotenoids. In carotenoids, xanthophylls and carotins. Xanthophylls types are fucoxanthin, taraxanthin, myxoxanthin. Fucoxanthin present in Phaeophyce members, Bacillariophyce, Chrysophyce. Taraxanthin present in Rhodophyce. Myxoxanthin present in Cyanophyce or VGA. And keratin, beta carotene and E carotene present. Phycobilins, another pigments, phycobilins, phycocyanin and phycoerythrin. These phycobilins only present in two classes. One is BGA, Cyanophyce members, another one is Rhodophyce members. I will explain later. And storage food material starch, that is common starch, myxophycean starch, Floridian starch, laminarin, and mannitol. These are reserve food material in algal member, algal cell. This is about the cell structure. In cell structure also, we are learning in order. First cell wall, protoplast, protoplasm, cell organelles. Cell organelles, just write the names of cell organelles. No need to explain. Just highlighted the chloroplast only. What type of chloroplast, structure of chloroplast, and pigments. Here the only difference is the shape of the chloroplast difference in algal member. But pigment more or less are same. Chlorophyll A, B common. And C, D also present. Xanthophylls, carotins, that is a general statement. But based on type study, whether it is fucoxanthin, taraxanthin, neoxanthin, myxoxanthin, different type. Keratin, beta carotene or E carotene. Phycobilins, old phycobilins, two classes. Cyanophyce member and Rhodophyce member. Food material starch, myxophycin starch, Floridian starch, laminarin, mannitol, and oils, fats also there. This is our cell structure. Any doubt in this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in cell structure?
No, sir. Nothing.
Any doubt in thallus? Thallus
No,
organism?
sir.
Now, reproduction. What is reproduction?
I mean,
What is
Reproduction.
reproducing
process of producing their kinds?
production, like
Kinds.
Production of
Soon kind.
Young ones.
production of production of offspring
Offsprings.
from parent to offspring's production called as reproduction.
Reproduction.
Right? In algal member, reproduction, 3 types. Vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction. What is vegetative?
Reproduction by stem, leaves, and roots.
It's very
That's it.
common in algae, sir.
Right. But of course, what you said just now, that is right. But root to shoot to leaf, that is vegetative, but they are not clear in algal member. That's why
Okay.
in vegetative reproduction takes place by thallus. That's enough. By thallus, vegetative body. Simply say vegetative body, which may be cell division or fragmentation. Cell division means, for example, if you take single cell organism like Chlamydomonas chlorella, a single cell, the single cell divided into 2, later separated. This both are developed into individual. So in this involved by thallus cell, complete cell. So it is vegetative reproduction. And most common method is fragmentation. The fragmentation mainly occurs in filamentous thallus. This is the
Yes, sir.
filament of thallus. This is filament of thallus. Due to any reason, due to aquatic animals or water tides, maybe whatever it may be reason, break into pieces like this, 2 pieces or 3 pieces, 4 pieces. After separated, each and every one can develop individually. So this is developed into one thallus. This is developed into another thallus. Here, how many thallus? First in mother thallus, 1. But due to water tide or aquatic animals, it is break into 2 pieces. 2 pieces means which can grow as a one thallus,
As the
another
individuals.
thallus. So the 2 thallus are formed. So this is called as fragmentation. And actinids another method. Actinids mainly formed in unfavorable condition. In what happen in actinids? For example, this is the cell. Just wait. For example, this is the cell. When unfavorable condition, the one cell, 2 cell, 3 cells like this. During unfavorable condition, one of the cell or more than one cells surrounded by thick layer. Like this. But during this drastic condition, unfavorable condition, rest of the all cells are destroyed except the thick cell. This thick cell survived. This cope with the unfavorable condition. And when this is called actinate. When the conditions are reoccur, favorable conditions are reoccur, again generate into thallus. So this is fragmentation method. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Wait, sir. Drawing. We're just drawing, sir. That's a diagram for better.
Right. Should I draw again?
No, nothing, sir.
Right.
Just we are drawing it.
Right. So vegetative clear, I think. Vegetative reproduction clear. And now asexual reproduction. What is asexual reproduction? What is asexual reproduction?
Sir, I mean, which it occurs in favorable conditions, I think, like which involves in the production of spores, like spores.
Right. Exactly. By asexual reproduction takes place by spores. Okay, right. Spores. These spores later generate into thallus. There is no fusion. Only the asexual reproduction takes place by spores. My question is how the spores are formed. Right, asexual reproduction by spores. That is absolutely right. Here you can see here clearly asexual reproduction by spores. The spores may be apnospores or zoospores. Apnospores means without flagella. Zoospores means with flagella. Okay,
Yes.
right? The spores develop from the sporangium. The sporangium develop from the vegetative cell, vegetative thallus or vegetative cell. For example, for our clear understanding, this is filamentous thallus. Okay. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Filamentous thallus. This is vegetative cell. This is also vegetative cell. This is also vegetative cell. Before production of spores, by asexual manner, one of the cell, maybe in this cell, one of the cell somewhat enlarged in size. Somewhat enlarged in size. When it enlarges, this is called as sporangium. Enlarge, this is called as sporangium. Later, what are present inside the cell? I already told you what are present inside the cell.
Nucleus,
Right, nucleus or
sheath, cell
protoplasm.
wall.
Right,
Chloroplast.
right. From nucleus surrounded by cytoplasm and developed into spores. Developed into spores. Now this round-shaped one are called spores. Where are the spores now? Where are the spores? Inside?
Inside the
Inside sporangium.
Sporangium.
When the sporangium reach maturity stage, the sporangium wall ruptured, the spores are released out. And the spores again germinated as a thallus. Again germinated as a thallus. Is it clear? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Right. So simple vegetative reproduction involved by some vegetative part, vegetative thallus. But in asexual reproduction, not involved by thallus or not involved by cell. For example, this is the cell. Cell wall itself, some portion of the cell involved. Some portion means the cell components, cell wall, protoplasm are there. This protoplasm. Here, without cell wall involvement, only protoplasm developed into spore. Simple. This protoplasm developed into spore. Right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Right. So this is called asexual reproduction. Remember, asexual reproduction takes place by spore. The spores formed inside sporangium. The sporangium development from the vegetative cell. That's it. What is another method? Another method?
Budding.
Sexual reproduction. What is sexual reproduction?
Sir, it's exchange of genetic material, sir, where meiosis is meiosis takes place.
Right, exactly. Of course, exchange of genetic material, right? Meiosis division takes place. During meiosis, they can exchange the material. Simple definition, the fusion of gametes. Spores, sexual reproduction. Gamete fusion, sexual reproduction. The same formation, like a spore formation, gametes also formed. But after formation gametes, they cannot give thallus individually, like a spores. Here the spores after formation, they can develop into thallus. But gametes, they cannot develop into thallus. Only they can develop the thallus after fusion of the gametes. The fusion takes place. So anyway, after formation gametes, the gamete formation same like a spores. Now tell me, where are the gametes developed? The spore developed in sporangium, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yep,
Sir.
sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
gamete developed inside. Spore developed, okay, clear. Spore developed sporangium. Gamete developed in gametangium. Simple. Spore developed sporangium. Gamete developed in gametangium. Male gamete developed in male gametangium. Female gamete developed in female gametangium. So anyway, after production of gametes, these gametes are fused. We can see in diagram. Plus means fusion. Here three types of sexual reproduction: isogamy, anisogamy, oogamy.
Sir, how to know about this male or female microgamete?
In isogamy, hello?
No, sir. In sexual reproduction, how to know about male or female microgamete?
Right. Except, actually, we cannot find out in isogamous method. In isogamous method, for our clear understanding, one is considered as a male, another one is considered as a female. The both
Okay,
are
sir.
similar structure. Both are can fuse each other. Both are can exchange genetic material. Both are can fusion and also exchange genetic material and finally formation zygote. But we don't know clear where is male, where is female in isogamous method. Okay?
ISO
Hello?
means same.
Same. Iso means similar. Iso
Yes.
means similar. So here the two gametes are male and female gametes. Both are similar in size, function. So this isogamy. But we can find out the anisogamy method. In anisogamy method, male one is small. Male gamete small in size. Female gamete
Bigger.
large in size.
So it's called macro. It's macro,
Yes.
and this male is micro.
Micro, this is macro or mega.
Yeah.
So here also same. Male genetic exchange takes place, fusion occurs, the final zygote form. Another method, oogamous method. In oogamous also we can identify the male and female. If you see the oogamous method, this is small, active one, small and active. Active means it can only move with help of flagella. With help of flagella, only the male gamete move toward the female gamete. But the female gamete is not released out. Here the isogamy, anisogamy, both gametes are released out from gametangium. Both gametes are released out gametangium. But whereas in oogamous method, oogamy, only male gamete released out, but the female gamete not released out. The female gamete is situated inside the female gametangium or oogonium. But only the released male gamete reach the oogonium, finally reach to the egg or female gamete. The after fusion, here finally formation zygote.
Zygote is formed.
Right. After formation zygote, it is diploid. After diploid zygote, now this zygote produce the spores. Zygote produce the spores. Now these spores developed into thallus. These spores finally developed into thallus. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So habitat, thallus organization, cell structure, reproduction. Clear? Hello?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yep, sir. Yeah.
Any
Yes,
doubt
sir.
in this?
Nothing, sir.
All right. Now let's see the life cycle. This is very, very important. What we learned so far? So far, what you learn, we will give the graphical representation. That graphical representation called as life cycle. That means actually this is life cycle. First we learned about thallus, right? Hello?
Yes.
Thallus structure. This thallus may be single cell, may be multi-cell. In multi-cell, synobium, filamentous, parenchymatous, whatever it may be, that is the we learned about gametophytic thallus only. After thallus structure, cell structure, right? After cell structure, we discussed about the reproduction. In reproduction, from thallus, gametangium formed. From thallus, male gametangium formed, female gametangium developed. From male gametangium, what are developed?
Male gametes, female
Male gamete.
gametes.
From female gametangium,
Female gametes.
Female gamete.
female gamete. After that, both are fused. Okay. Finally, zygote formed, right? What happened after zygote formation? Spore produced.
Course.
Actually, the zygote diploid. This diploid zygote undergoes to meiosis division. What is meiosis? What is mitosis? Mitosis when
Meiosis exchange of information where genetic
exchange of
information.
information and also chromosome number decrease. In meiosis, what happened? chromosome number decrease, which means, for example, mother chromosomes 8. After meiosis, it become 4. Mother chromosome 4. After meiosis, it become 2. 16. After meiosis, it becomes 8. So this is about meiosis. But mitosis neither decrease nor increase chromosome number. Okay? Is it clear? Hello?
So once again, you can say, sir.
In mitosis, for example, mother chromosome 8, this 8 chromosome mother cell enter into mitosis. Number of cells are formed. In each and every cell, the chromosome number same, 8 only. Neither decrease nor increase. But the same cell, 8 chromosome number enter into the meiosis. Meiosis, the upcoming cells chromosome number become half, 4.
Yes, sir.
Here the zygote ploidy 2. But after meiosis become N, 1N. 1N and again formed as a haploid thallus. We start with haploid thallus and end with haploid thallus. That's it.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Right. So this is a life cycle. Next, diploid life. The first we see haploid life cycle. Next, see diploid life cycle. What you understand in diploid life cycle, just compare with haploid. What you observed. I will give you 2 minutes. What you observed in this diploid life cycle when compared with haploid life cycle.
Meiosis.
What?
Here, meiosis.
So here spores are like in haploid there was only
First,
yeah, gamete.
Division takes place.
First see the thallus ploidy.
2x. It's 2x. Like before, it was only one. Like
Right. In before 1x
1x.
haploid.
Here
But it,
2x.
as it diploid 2x. Now what is ploidy of gametangium? Ploidy of female gametangium, male gametangium? This both are developed by mitotic division. Remember, male gametangium developed from the thallus by mitotic, female gametangium developed by mitotic. Now tell me the ploidy of male gametangium or female gametangium. 2N or 1N?
so male is one, female is one, and
again I am telling you mitotic only here, mitotic division. If the ploidy 2N, that means cell 2N. 2N or 2X. But this 2X cell enter into the mitotic division. By mitotic division, the male gametangium developed the same manner female gametangium developed. Now tell me the male gametangium ploidy. N or 2N? Here mitotic, remember.
2N, sir. 2N.
Right, exactly. 2N only. Male gametangium 2N, female gametangium 2N, right?
Yes, sir.
But here the 1 minute. 1 minute. Hello?
Yes, sir.